Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm bringing you an Adobe Premiere Pro 2026 tutorial, how to create and customize captions. So first things first, have all of your videos on the timeline that you want to create captions for. Make sure they're fully trimmed. And then what you want to select in the top right hand corner is the panels menu. Then you want to scroll down and select captions and graphics. From here, it'll change your menu on the top left-hand corner. You'll see transcript, captions, graphics. You want to ensure you select captions, and then you want to select create captions from transcript. Now, at the moment, you may not have created a transcribed sequence, so there's nothing for the captions to build from. But here, it will say transcribe and create. So transcribe means take all of the stuff you've said and make it into text format. I'm going to change my caption preferences because I would like the captions to be single lines. I would like them to have a maximum length of, let's say, 60 characters. And I don't mind a minimum second of 3. That's pretty good. So that's all about adjusting the speed of the captions. You can also change to have single or double lines. I like single. I'm going to transcribe and create those captions, and in the left hand side you're going to see that it's creating auto transcriptions. Then what is going to happen is at the top above all of my visual layers, at this bar right here, there's going to be a whole line of captions all in a yellow format. Then, if I would like to customize those captions once they're built, they're going to pop up any second now. There they are. I can highlight all of them at once, and I often recommend getting all your footage there and then transcribing a sequence rather than doing it individually. I can customize just by highlighting them the style of that text. However, I can double click on them and it will also bring this menu up. Now, I don't want a shadow. I don't like a shadow, but I do want a background on them. I want the background to be a lighter color, so I'm going to make it gray. I'm going to actually make it a solid background, not opaque or not high opacity. I want to have it bold and italic, but I want to change the font. Something like this, possibly. No, let's go something a bit better. What font do I use a lot? I like the idea of it being a bit of a bold type font. If I want to change the size as well, I can just move this like here. And then if I'd like to change the position, I can indeed do that, but I like it at the bottom. And if I would like to change anything else, all of the information here in the menu is how you change them. If you want to change the position, you can change the x-axis and the y-axis, and it moves the captions around. Same for spacing, same for capitals, and everything like that. Also, color is under the fill section if you wanted to change the color. Perhaps I'll go for something like this. Actually, no, I'm going to keep it white. But I hope that has helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Simply export the video and your captions are there automatically. And if you want to change them, zoom in, find the specific caption you'd like to change, click it once, and then double click the caption on the page and it will allow you to edit the caption. Please leave a like, subscribe down below, and join my channel if this helped you out. Thank you so much.